Good evening, friends. Welcome to Diamond Bits. Today we are going to make a video on penny stocks. We have listed out few stocks for this for making this video. These stocks are selected based upon the fundamental analysis and the sectors which is going to impact majorly in coming future when India stands as a manufacturer hub. In our list, first company is Opto Circuit, friends. Opto Circuit, if you just go and visit their website, they are into the manufacture of medical equipment, interventional devices, cardiac stents, catheters, disposables, and replacement implants, etc. If you see the equipments portfolio, they are into different type of equipment, friends, like monitors, defibrillators, and reusable and disposable sensors, NIBB modules. All these are used in hospitals in intensive care and cardiac care cardiac care department, friends. And if you come to the financials part, the book value is 39.14, friends. That means if the company went into liquidation now, the company can pay each shareholder 39.14 rupees. But the present value of the share is 7.90 rupees on NSE. So it is very devalued company in the share market, friends. But friends, there is a, if you look into the chart of this company in the monthly interval, actually we need to appreciate this company Opto Circuits. When they have started in 2003, their share price is approximately near to 5 rupees, friends. But we need to appreciate this company. This is the only company which stepped into the medical manufacturing equipment in India and acquired few product patents and started manufacturing. They have grown like anything from 2003 to 2007, friends. But as they step into different segments, like they have stepped into replacement implant segment, they have stepped into cardiac segment. The business impacted like anything, but it collapsed and reached the bottom in 2009. After 2009, it again reclaimed to 239, friends. 250 up to 250 it went. But again they have taken in very revolutionary step in adding products to their portfolio. That impacted like anything. In 2013 it collapsed, and now it is available. If you see one day interval chart, in the April beginning, this stock is costing 1.59 rupees, friends. If you observe, this is going to be impact in India like anything. From 1.59 to it is in 7.9 rupees today in 2 months. This is how the chart look and how it moved, friends. If we look into the financials, see, friends, Opto Circuit financials. Actually, I told you, as I mentioned, they are into stepping into new market. They have conducted many experiments, acquiring the some patents and new products pumping into the market. They have impacted like anything in if you see the net incomes in 15, 16 and 17, friends. But after that major impact is also they are into positive in 2018 and 2019 also. And now as the government has taken the decision to encourage the Indian manufacturer, definitely I think this company is going to impact in coming future. In very long term, this is a good stock to purchase in healthcare sector, friends.